Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to do some early spring decorating here in the living room. As you can see behind me, I still have all of my winter decor out in this space, and I'm just ready for a change. We've actually had a little bit of spring-like weather here lately in East Tennessee. This week it's kind of in the 50s, but next week they're forecasting us in the 60s up to almost 70 degrees. So I'm so excited, but I'm just kind of tired of looking at all of the like pine trees and snowflakes and everything, and ready to give this room a fresh look. Plus we have my son's birthday party at the end of this month, and I don't really want to have any of my winter decor out for that party. So we're doing mostly just kind of like neutral everyday decor, but also with a little bit of a touch for early spring with some flowers and such. So I'm really excited you guys decided to join me for today's video. I hope you're ready for some decorating inspiration, and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay friends, we are taking a before look at the living room. So this is how it was before I started cleaning and decorating today. As you can see, we still have a lot of winter decor out in here, some winter greenery, some snowflakes, and then just some deep green accents throughout. But we are going to really change up this space today, and I can't wait to share all of my ideas with you. Okay, to get started with today's video, we are going to take down all of the winter decor first. I like to kind of start with a clean slate. So I'm just going to go all around the room and take down everything wintry. On this table over here, I had a snowflake table runner, some winter greenery on the tabletop, and then we're also going to take down that beautiful barn print. I really love that print from Hobby Lobby, but we do have a different one that we're going to put up, and it really matches the early spring decor that I'm going with. So again, just going throughout this room and taking out all of the winter touches, and then we will get started with the redecorating. Okay, now we're going to start decorating for early spring. This is kind of really just everyday neutral decor. I mean, the decor that I'm putting out today could easily be left up from now until the fall season, but it is a little bit of early spring as well. So you can see that I put up a different print here on the wall. It is another barn picture. I do love a good picture of a barn. If you guys missed my last video, I was talking about my master bedroom makeover plans and how I just really love the farmhouse style. I really love cottage style, and I live out in the country. I live in a very rural area, so give me all the barns. I can see at least one barn from my house. We are getting started decorating this table. This table is originally from Hobby Lobby. I bought it years and years ago. I think probably 6 or 7 years ago when we lived in our last house, and it is a great piece of furniture and I love it. And I'm not sure it's going to be in this living room long term, so I'm not sure what's going to happen to it. I'm sure I'll find somewhere to put it, but we are adding a little white crochet doily under the lamp just to give it a little elevation and pop of color off of this wood tabletop. I added a really pretty spring greenery miniature wreath around the base of my diffuser, and then adding some early spring stems into this vintage glass jug as well. So as you can see, keeping the bones of my decor very much the way that they were, and just switching out the winter decor for some early spring and neutral pieces. am giving all of the furniture a good wipe down in today's video. I probably don't dust my furniture as often as I should. So especially when I'm redecorating, that is a great opportunity for me to give everything a wipe down. And I always use some sort of Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. I think I was still using the peppermint scent in this video, and a microfiber cloth, and that really does the trick and gets the room smelling really good. So I'm going to put some new pillows out on the couch this day, and I actually thrifted these two pillows from a local thrift store a few weeks back. They're actually originally from Target. They're the Threshold brand. I love the neutral plaid on one side and then the neutral stripes on the other, so they're reversible. And I think these are just a good staple pillow that I could use pretty much year round. To style this other end table, I am going to stack up a couple of my books that I have. The one on the bottom is Homebody by Joanna Gaines, and then the one on top there is Heirloom Rooms by Erin Napier. Y'all know that I love home decor shows, and so I like Fixer Upper, and Hometown is actually my favorite home decor show at the moment, and so that's with Ben and Erin Napier on HGTV. If you didn't know, let me know in the comments if you guys like any of those shows too. Moving on to this little antique writing table or a little miniature desk. I'm not really sure what you would name this piece, but it is a vintage piece. It sits here in between the two windows in our living room. I really love this piece. I love the look of it. It has turned legs on it, and I'm really looking forward to adding more pieces like this into my house in the future. It's kind of one of those things where you have to go to the antique stores and just peruse, and when you see it, you will know. But I'm looking forward to adding a new piece of furniture to act as our TV stand sometime in the future, something with a little more vintage flair to it. But quickly wipe this table down, and now we're going to style my tiered tray. I absolutely love how I had this table styled for winter, so I really just wanted to keep it as is, and again switch out the winter pieces for some more neutral and early spring decor. So we're going to style the tiered tray first. Throughout the room, I really focused on using some brighter yet softer pops of greenery. I wouldn't say I went like full full on like summer greenery. Everything has a little bit of a softer color to it, and then added in white flowers throughout. Now all the flowers don't match. I have just different ones in my stash that I've used. The ones on this tier tray are I think little dogwood flowers, but yeah, soft greens, white, and then I love mixing in the wood tones, the galvanized metal. I think it just creates enough warmth and dimension, but also a really neutral and really pretty look for the early spring months. Here on the candle warming lamp, I added a little doily under that as well, just to give it a little pop of color off of the wooden table. And then I'm placing a green candle here. This was the only green candle that I had available, and it is in like a ginger crisp scent or something. I believe it's actually a fall candle, but it doesn't smell particularly fall-y. It's not like pumpkin-y or anything. So that actually works for this time of year. And then I'm going to quickly wipe off this green vase that I bought years ago from Hobby Lobby, probably on like a 75% off deal or something. And then we're going to add some more greenery and white flowers in this as well. Okay, my friends, that is all the decorating we have to do today. I don't have a ton of spaces in my living room to decorate, so that is all I have to share with you. And here are the final looks at my early spring decor in the living room for 2026. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up today's early spring decorate with me here in the living room. I love how everything turned out. It is so fun to have the brighter pops of green and some of the white flowers. I think that's a perfect way to ease into the spring decor before we start mixing in the eggs and the bunnies and everything for Easter, which we will be doing probably sometime in early March. So subscribe if you're new here, if you haven't already. Here at Kindly Katey, I do tons and tons of seasonal decorating videos, and I would love to have you join me here at my channel. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you thought about today's video. What are you decorating or planning on decorating right now? I would love to hear. All right guys, I'm gonna let you go, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Bye.